out here, but we're gonna do it for you. We came here to Colorado. Hold on. And we're gonna go to the biggest, what is it called? Ski thingy-mabobbers, and hold on. And we're gonna ski, and we're gonna snowboard, and we're gonna tube, and we're gonna try to do it all for you guys, because that's what we do. Oh my God. It's crazy out here, people. It's insane.
Good morning, everybody. So guess what we're doing? What are we doing?
Going tubing.
Did I hit you?
Yeah.
We're going tubing, and it was a Groupon, so I don't expect a lot. It was only $8 a piece. If you're in Cincinnati, $8. You can go to the beach water park. They got the beach hill. They make their own snow. It looks like it's probably only worth $8. So if you're not getting it on Groupon, you're probably paying too much. But you guys will see it in a second. It's very much like three, like it feels like it's like 3, maybe 4 if you're lucky, lanes of just tubes, and it's completely packed. There's so many people here, I couldn't find a place to park. I'm actually lying. There's like nobody here. It's pretty much we have the place to ourselves. Let's go. We're not gonna have a problem finding an empty tube, I'll tell you that.
No lines to wait in here.
Is it horrible that I just laughed, or should I be like, oh, watch out? I technically would be like, do it again. All right, get in. Sleigh ride together with you. Oh, here we go. We get to, some guys got a, they've got their own sleds. Oh, that must be Kitty Land or something. Oh, we could go sledding. I'm so excited. Hey, let's see if you're that tall. Go. You barely make it. You barely do. Oh my gosh, snow. I'm gonna make a snowball. Here. Oh, it's ice. It's dangerous ice. Oh my goodness. Look, like it's not snow. It's straight up ice. Try to make snowball.
Hold on, I'm coming up behind you.
I switched over to my other camera. She actually has my camera. Are you recording still?
Yeah.
Oh, that's interesting. Hi.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Okay, how are you?
Oh, I'm just supposed to be looking at yours. Okay. I don't know which one to look at. We'll just do this. We'll just look at them both. So, there's this. Oh my gosh! Guys, it's stormy! I'm going through a storm right now! And hold on. It's crazy out here, guys. Come here. It's super crazy. So we decided we were gonna go to Alaska. Hold on. And it's ow! 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 Ow, that hurts so bad. Oh my goodness. I can't even tell you. I can't even. If you guys want to come and see Santa, you come out and you stand out in the middle of a storm just to wait in line. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore at this point because my mind is just so breathtaking by these ice balls. That's the things that they're making the snow in, it looks like.
How do they make it? Do you think they freeze water and then chop it up?
No, I think they freeze saline.
Saline? Is that really what they do?
No. Does it taste like salt? I hope not. That's how they're making the snow. This is Snow Mountain. It's like not that big at all. It's that Snow Mountain right there. And it looks really thick. Look how thick that is.
Yeah.
It's really thick and
how many feet of snow?
Oh, you need that. Don't go that far from me. Okay.
How many feet of snow do you think that is?
That's a good
14.
solid 10 feet at least. Yeah, 14. It's up there. If you don't get off in time, this is where you go. You gotta get off there. If you don't, you fall.
Yeah, no, just kick them out like that. There you go. All right, cool.
All right, here we go.
I'm nervous.
I don't know why you're nervous. Let's go.
What if we fly off the end?
Oh, don't put your butt down. Don't put your butt down. Don't put. Don't put your butt down. You learned that, right?
Yeah.
Did you put your butt down?
My butt hurts.
Nobody's working the bottom of it. They don't know up there that it's not working, and so now we gotta really actually walk this hill, which is totally not cool at all. I didn't come here to pay to walk up this hill. I came here to ride this and be high maintenance. I'm just kidding. We'll walk it. Why not?
No mountain.
Let's go. Oh, oh. Hold on, hold on, hold on. What just happened? This is a painful, it's a painful experience.
That freaking last ramp at the end when we
We literally flew. We were in the air.
I'm so scared.
I don't know why you're so scared. The conveyor stopped. Let's start walking. Here we go. We almost fell, all of us. That was great. Did you guys fall too?
Yeah.
Okay. I wasn't just the only one that fell. Oh dear Lord. There's Lexi.
Here we go. I'll give you a little extra excitement on this one.
Oh, no.
A little spin.
A little twist.
A little twist. You're gonna add a twist to it?
You're going off the edge. That's what we're doing.
Right.
No, we're not.
Let's do it off the
We're
edge.
not doing that.
Hold yours right there. Because we need a little bit of, okay. Here we go.
No, don't put me on the end. No, my
We're gonna fly!
My hat fell.
Where? We're about to go sledding. Ow. Ow.
There's one right up in the
Ow.
river.
Don't look at it. This is not safe for children. This is the children's play place, but I promise you that is not safe for children. That thing hurts. It's globs of ice. Let it go. Go. I'll push you.
I'm gonna go the opposite way.
Oh.
It doesn't work.
You're not getting anywhere. You haven't done anything.
I gotta fly faster.
Go, go.
I'm sliding.
She just yelled at me because I didn't vlog us leaving. This camera is so cold. It is like so cold. Feel it. Here, hold it.
Oh my gosh.
It is so cold. Hey guys. Hey. We're gonna start vlogging. Oh. Trying to wish that wiper off. Put me in the frame. Other way. There you go. I like to be in the frame. I'm camera shy.
Okay.
Don't get me out of the frame. I'm camera shy. Come
He's
on.
not
Get
camera
me out of the
shy.
frame. I don't like to be in the frame. Get me out of the frame. I'm camera shy, girl. Gosh.
I'll hold it over here, so.
I'm camera shy. Let me get ready. Let me look good. There we go. I don't look good enough. Okay, is this better?
Look
Now we're
perfect.
camera shy. There we go. I'm not camera shy anymore. I look good.
Red light.
I'll look-
I mean green light.
Green light. No, it's not green. It's red. I'm looking. No, I don't like it this way. I like it like.
You should get a mohawk. Oh my.
This?
Yeah.
I got that gel and spiked it in the middle.
What, like, have you ever seen that, like, red gel? The colored gel?
What do you guys think about this look? Let me know in the comments below. What do you think about this look? Subscribe. What do you think about this look? Like this video.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't forget to push that subscribe button. But like, seriously, I need the money. Click that subscribe button. Thank you.